Eating out in a restaurant is a very popular social activity all over the world. It is a wonderful way to relax with your friends or celebrate a special occasion with your family. While some people prefer fast food, many others enjoy a sit-down meal where they can take their time and enjoy the atmosphere. When you first enter a restaurant, the waiter usually greets you at the door and asks if you have a reservation. If the restaurant is busy, you might have to wait for a table. Once you are seated, the waiter provides a menu, which is a list of different dishes and drinks with their prices. Sometimes there is a chef's special that is not on the regular menu. Most people order their meal in 3 different stages. First, they choose a starter, which is a small dish like a hot soup or a fresh salad. After the starter, they eat the main course. This is the largest part of the meal and usually includes meat, fish, or a vegetarian option, served with side dishes like vegetables or potatoes. Finally, many people like to finish their meal with a sweet dessert, such as a piece of chocolate cake or a bowl of fruit. While you are eating, the waiter might come to your table to check if everything is okay, or to see if you would like another drink. When you are finished eating, you must ask the waiter for the bill. In many countries, it is common to leave a tip. This is extra money for the staff if the service was friendly and the food was delicious. You can usually choose to pay with cash or a credit card, depending on the restaurant's policy. Have you been to a restaurant lately? How was the food?